Hi, I'm Stacy and I'm here to show you a quick holiday updo. Let's go. So first I'm going to separate out my front pieces on both sides. And then I'm going to take 3 sections back here. So I'm just going to kind of grab all of my hair. I'm going to separate 3 sections and then tie them with a small elastic. And the last one. Tighten those a little bit. You want to get some body up here. So I'm just going to take a comb, the end of a comb or a back combing brush, just kind of pull it out a little bit. Okay, and then I just take pieces, start with the middle. I'm going to separate this one since it's small.
Good seeing you too.
Tell Patty hi.
I'm just gonna twist it the way of the curl pattern. And then take a bobby pin, put it on the end, twist and pin. And I just kind of pin anywhere down in this lower section here because it's supposed to be kind of messy. Sometimes it's easier to put the bobby pin on the end here and then twist with it and then pin. That might look kind of crazy, but it'll come together. On these last ones, I want to make sure I'm kind of filling in holes in the bar. Okay, so before we move to the front, I just want to kind of touch up like these places where the hair is kind of sticking out a little bit. Just pin them. Twist and pin. This one's hanging low, so I'm going to twist and pin this too. Okay, feels pretty secure now. So I'm just going to work these sides and I'm going to separate these curls a little bit. And do the same, kind of pin it back loosely though on the sides. Twisting, and I just add the pin to the end, just loosely. Sometimes I like to leave some front pieces out, so I will just twist that first front piece back and then pin. Okay, so I'm gonna just adjust some pieces. This is what I have up front. I wanna make sure the sides are somewhat even. They don't have to be perfect. And then just check the back. So I'll take my hand mirror now. And here you can see my ear, so I'm going to cover that up. And I'll place the pin kind of like long down like this, and then I'll adjust. Okay, sometimes these pieces are nice down hanging out because it makes it a little more casual if you're not dressing up as much. And then I like to just take my curling iron and freshen up these curls right here. And maybe if these are a little bit longer, curl them a little bit more. Okay, and then just since sometimes with all those pins I can get a little bit tight, just kind of grab the back of my comb again. Try to loosen it up a little bit. And then spray. And that's how you do a simple holiday updo. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more videos in the future.